Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, ooh, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it. At all the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. Guys playing, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. It's only 8 a.m. I won't do it for the gram. I know I'm a man. At my 2020, whoa, whoa. Woke up to deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I logged, dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and wipe my paws off. Get it off the humble and I stick to what I know. Nights on top of nights, long nights took a toll. Took some steps back, but I still get up and I go. And now you know, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding, kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. Pressure on me daily, got the family on my back. Dreams are getting bigger, put the city on my map. World inside my palm, but I'll try not to get attached. Moment that is here, could be over just like that. Fast car, no NASCAR. I was never working hard, I guess I'm mad smart. Top speed like a rocket, it was blast off. 6 figures from my couch without a mask on. Waited for my cycle like a laundry mat. Going to the moon, it's on top and that. 2 straight years of dropping back to back. Epidemic jumping like an acrobat. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding, kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, Every day I wake up, I'ma send it.
SOS, SOS, woo, SOS. I got you yelling SOS, thought you was a threat. I do real life, do no tip and tag on the internet. We don't do that, see I've been a threat and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that when I'm cashing checks. I don't owe no debts, I've been through show up. I can flip my switch out. They act like they know us, but they know dog on big dog. Asking if it's still a flex. Say they better go ask Booyah. Never think I'm gon' check. Better pull up like woo. Come to place and I'm the best. I ain't worried about none who y'all. 24 no rest. Stand on business, I'm too tall. Thought you was a threat. I do real life, do no tip attack on the internet. We don't do that. See, I've been a threat and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that way. I'm catching checks. I don't owe no debts. I've been through that. See you SOS. 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 See you SOS. Need a life vest. Need no mic check. SOS. 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 See you SOS. We don't talk checks. We get to it. All in for the jackpot. Every time I want the last shot. Championship ring. Went to starter from a mascot. Went to rollies from a G-Shot. Brand new kettle, no teapot. You should know I don't play. Go sicko mode like I'm T-Scott. Eagle vision from the treetop. Went to image from a green dot. Never had no limit, but I had some Reeboks. Keep it humble, but the fee's not. In the game, no free spots. But I earn what's mine. Nothing less, I'ma shine. SOS, thought you was a threat. I do real life, do no tip attack on the internet. We don't do that. See, I've been a threat and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that way. I'm catching checks. I don't owe no debts. I've been through that. See you SOS. 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 See you SOS. Need a life vest. Need no mic check. SOS. 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 See you SOS. We don't talk checks. We get to it.
Morning all. Hope you're all well. Hope you're all good. Yes, sir. See how all systems go. There we go. Hope everyone's good. Thursday today. Hopped on a little bit early. Have to hop off early, so thought I'll come make a plan here, set everyone up, and then we move. So Thursday today we have a bit of unemployment claims today. Very important. They're expecting a little bit of a tick up, 1,000, not too much. If that ticks up more, it's going to put more pressure on those rate cuts. This week webinar and exclusive, we will talk about the rate cuts. So obviously NFP here, unemployment rate, they're expecting a 0.1 increase. Anything more than that's not going to be good, but we'll speak about that tomorrow. As for London session here, pretty clean. Nothing we need to really worry about. ADP and unemployment claims are going to be the one. So probably not trading until after 4:30, which is 30 minutes after New York Open. So that's going to be how it's going to look. Now gold here obviously pulling back here, Asian session. So let's see what's going on. Daily time frame here, still bullish. We obviously first time after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days that we're breaking previous daily lows. We have respected previous daily lows for 6 days. It's the first time we're actually breaking previous daily lows. 4-hour time frame, closing bearish, so you do have a mixed session bias today. And yeah, let's do some of the markup here. So 4-hour time frame, what should we mark? We can mark this. We don't really need to mark too much here. We can mark this previous 4-hour down here. Have that there. Put that text P4. And 1-hour time frame, still going to be relevant here. 1 hour is trying to create support. We have this previous resistance range from yesterday. So this will put YTD range. So we know where yesterday's range is. It's also next to a 15 there. Then this one is not relevant anymore. So plans are pretty simple. I would prefer, what is this? 25, where's 25 key level? Right there. So sells I'd prefer below the 25 key level. 25. Yeah, that's fine. 24,990. Okay, that's accurate. So that would be the plan below here. See, previous 1 hour is here, so that's where our buys are gonna come. Probably extend it to this one up here. Yeah. Above key level as well. Yeah, we can put it a little bit higher to match the key level. Wouldn't be bad. There we go. So you need structure for this close here. If it just dumps from up here straight down, going to be hard to take sells. So that's the goal plan. Pretty simple plan here. You target yesterday's range, which is that previous resistance as well. There's more buys above that if there's no entry option. Inside here is basically not really tradable. Let's see DAX here. Start off on daily time frame here on DAX. We can see previous daily still closing bearish here. Haven't tapped daily support just yet. 4 hours creating the messiest range you have encountered here. Disgusting. Disgusting range. Technically bearish buys, but I count it as mixed. This is a big rejection candle. We're stuck in this range. Yeah, this is disgusting range here. This is really bad. Yeah, it's quite complex to trade in a range like this. You don't really want to diddle in the middle right now. Oof. Ideally buys from down here, right? That would be an option here. Buys. Actually, even an S2 with 5-minute S5 will be. So you can either take buys from here, or you can look for a little bit of a lower buy from this bottom of the range here. But in the meantime, can we sell back down is the question. In the meantime, can we sell back down? You want buys bottom of the range back above this 1 hour support. So you'd want it to come bottom of the range and then you buy back above the 1 hour support. So sells could also form here, but it's right in the middle of the range, but it is possible since we're coming from the top of the range. Trading in here is going to be hard right around this 4 hour resistance from yesterday. It's a tough zone. It's a tough zone. But those are the plans there. Those are the plans. We can have a quick look at UJ here. See if UJ is cooking anything. Daily at daily resistance now. 4 hour time frame closing bullish at 4 hour resistance. Not at 4 hour, but close to. Be your next resistance there. Tough with that daily resistance there. There's a tight buy above 4 hour to get to daily and see what happens, but it's very tight. Now for the sells today. Wow. Yeah, a little bit messy before FOMC. Tomorrow we're seeing markets. Gold is the cleanest today. Even here, a lot of rejection zones. So I think your only option is the tight buys here with volume Break even at daily resistance. Gold has better ranges today. Schedule change, or you arrived 10 minutes earlier? Just arrived a little bit earlier today. Because I have to hop off earlier, so I thought I'd show up, give you guys a plan, do my routine, so I'm planned for the day. I do this very much for myself. Like, if I don't show up to the morning, set a plan, then I'm kind of lost for the whole day. Whole day I'm lost. I don't know, you know, I haven't done my analysis on my chart. Don't know what's happening in the market. I tend to stay out of the market the day before NFP. Yeah, that happens, you know. I just watched your podcast and it's life-changing. Such a wonderful video. Thank you, man. Which podcast did you watch? We actually have a new podcast coming out, apparently, which I'm off to today. You guys should watch the documentary. If you haven't watched the documentary, go have a look at it. That one is better. Go watch this new video here. This one is good. Go leave a comment. Show up. Let's see. Where's the Tradesharpe gang? Let's go. Let's go. Go leave a comment. Go pull up. Pull up. Pull up. How many comments they have? 32 comments. Where's the Tradesharpe gang, guys? Come on. Go pull up. Leave a comment. Dubai is not a country. Yeah, that's true, man. But if that's your biggest worry, in life, then you know, I think he needs to do some better stuff. So go pull up. Not one person from our community except this one. So go and leave a comment. Pull up. Ignore the hate. It's not hate that. That I don't consider hate. Congrats for 100k subs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Think you have to refresh? I did refresh. 32 comments. Let's refresh. 36 comments now. Okay, now they're starting to pull up. There we go, there we go. Lobsters in chat. How much we at today? We at 100. Yeah, we can't see now, right? We can't see the hundreds. Now it only goes up by thousands. So that's it. Anyways, leave a like on the stream, guys. Has YouTube acknowledged you? Not yet, man. Not yet. They take up to 2 weeks to acknowledge you. 100k open cases? Bro, yesterday I opened cases and got rinsed. What are you talking about? Yesterday I opened... How many cases did we open? I lost track. I think I opened like 5 cases yesterday. But yeah, if you haven't already, hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. I've left the analysis on the screen. So we have analysis on the screen. Leave a like on the stream. Get the likes up to 100. Would appreciate it. You know the drill. I wonder when YouTube. Yeah, they say 2 weeks they take to acknowledge you. They should really make that process faster. I think it'll take like a month before you get your plaque, huh? So yeah, we'll see what happens today. Looks like this is trying to close in 7 minutes, which will be the 10 a.m. 1 hour candle close. Wouldn't be a bad 1 hour candle close. but needs to be below key level. So we have to wait 7 minutes here. Have you selected the person to fly? No, it's a big process, man. There's a big process. There needs to be interviews. There needs to be a form that's filled. Once the form is filled, it's a big process. Visa applications, visa capability, mental health checks, all of this stuff, man. Can't just fly someone random. What broker do you use? IC. UC, we all see. ICT box, exactly, man. That's facts as well. Harry, do you speak Arabic? I do speak Arabic, yes. I would say I understand more than I speak. Mental health check, yes. Not flying out some stupid person, you know, who's gonna come and be a nightmare. Content capability, how comfortable are they being on camera? If they're not good on camera, then it's gonna be awkward, right? We have to document it. Is XNES good? I never use XNES. What's tax on trading in Dubai? 0%. You're waiting for DAX? DAX is a mess, bro. DAX is a mess. Maybe middle of range, there could be some sells if we pop bullish and then close bearish below. But DAX range is nasty. How do I identify key levels on gold? You look at $5 intervals. What's all this talk about flying someone out? What did I miss? I made a promise that when I hit 100k subs on YouTube, I would fly someone out to Dubai. So that's it. I'm a man of my word, and now someone is going to be flown out to Dubai. You think long-term gold is going back down? Long-term gold is going up, but a correction soon on gold could be an option here. In my webinar in the exclusive group on Sunday, if you're part of that, I will be discussing the whole higher time frame analysis for the stock market, gold, what we can expect. So if you're not prepared for this, you're going to have a lot of surprises. There's a lot of stuff. Can I have a look at my GU idea? Of course I can. Let's have a look, man. Morning to you. Let's see. His plan. Oh man, I just messed up and pressed all different buttons here. Okay, there we go. So you're looking for sells below the wick? Yeah, that would be the best. I was gonna mention that. When you get below the wick, it will be better here. Kind of like gold, actually. They would follow each other in this scenario. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm after. Look for 15 close below, expecting Frankfurt to take out Asian lows. We'll see. It's a very messy range on DAX today, huh? Very messy range. So you'd have to get a good close and then be a little bit aggressive, because we have look at the 4 hour. Really tight range here. We've already retested, right? 4 hours already reached target today. This is not a new target we're reaching. We're trying to get back to a target we've been. Right, so target has been met here. Might want to just continue and try get out the range today, but it's hard to trade. You could try breakout trades around London Open as well, but that's a little bit later. Why do you like to use IC broker? What's the pros? Just the broker I've used for a long time. Haven't had any issues, thankfully. Do you trade Bitcoin? No, I invest in Bitcoin. I assume only exclusive members qualify to be flown out then? Yeah, we will select from exclusive members. They're the OGs, the ones who support the real deal. We did a giveaway yesterday on YouTube, so you need to make sure you're showing up because you would have missed that giveaway. We gave away 3 memberships already. So imagine this would be funny. Imagine you win the giveaway to join the exclusive group, and then you win the flying out as well. What a package. Then everyone's gonna say it's rigged. Then I'm cooked. Everyone's gonna say you rigged it, 100% rigged. It's like, chill guys, chill. It's in minus 50k. I play sell stop my GEO idea. Wait for the close though, right? You want the close, right? See if it doesn't close below, it's not going to be valid. Ah, you have this previous 1 hour. This is a problem here, Mark. You want at least a 5 closing below that then. So you need a close below here and a 5 closing below that for it to make sense. You need to make sure you mark that. Well done for pointing that out. And gold is not looking like it's closing below key level. So we have a close below here, 1 hour closing bearish below, 30-minute closing bearish, 15 closing bearish, all very good. No 5-minute structure. We want to see a close below key level. Unless the last 9 seconds pops up here. If the last 9 seconds pops up, then that's it. You're not going to get it. Nice, good luck to everyone. Hope to see the winner on stream. Yes. We need content about investing in crypto. I speak about crypto investing in the group. Is there a certain percent you aim per month? As much as possible. That's my goal. Whether it be 10%, 20%, 3%, 5%, 50%, whatever I can, I will trade my maximum. Because if you set a goal and you push yourself to reach the goal, you might blow your profits. If you set a goal and reach the goal, then you stop you making more profits. Say I set a goal of 8% this month. If I hit 8% and stop trading, but there's amazing, there's amazing setups and I don't take them, and then I missed out on an extra 4 or 5%. Make the content with the guy flying out, Dubai lifestyle, help him get funded, prop firm, how to improve. Yeah, but we only have 5 days to get him funded in 5 days. Possible. I've done it myself, but we'll see. We could try. Get him funded in 5 days. The thing is, I would have to trade for him, right? Which is not really fair. But we could try it. I could help him, We'll see. Sponsor an account, try get him funded. You'd have to full margin it. Where's your YouTube play button? Bro, they haven't even acknowledged yet. You have to give them 2 weeks to acknowledge. Then they have to verify you. Then once you verify, then you get the option. Then you have to wait 3 weeks to get the play button, man. This is gonna be like at least a month ordeal if I'm lucky, right? If everything goes smooth, it should be a month before I get that play button. When's the Dubai trip giveaway, man? It will be in the exclusive group, so I'll build the form and then do it for there. Don't you have to pay for it as well? No, I think they give it free. Sure, you have to pay import duties and stuff like that. That I see happening. How do you plan for swing trades? Have a little bit more fundamental analysis. Make sure you're planning swing trades from good higher time frame zones, not middle of ranges, stuff like that. I can 3D print you a play button and send it to you to get used to it. Thanks, man. That would be nice. What if your subs go below 100k? Do they still give it to you? No, I don't think so. They won't give it to you at that point. They would wait for you to come back up to 100k again, and then they will verify again. That's why they wait the 2 weeks to see if your account stabilizes, right? Actually, on the day that we hit 100k and I posted on my story, we had haters come in. They started unsubscribing to my channel. I lost 50 subscribers. But luckily there was only a few haters. I thought it's based on the highest you ever achieved. Maybe. I'm not actually sure about that. Have to check online. How much is total now? I think 100,100, something like that. According to what I just checked out, thanks John, you get the 100k silver button plaque when even if your sub number drops below, it's a recognition. Okay, there you go. So yes, Chang is right and John has confirmed. So yeah, fair enough. So the minute you hit it then, that's cool. Google says it takes 4 to 6 weeks after ordering it. Man, that's cooked. 2 weeks to verify and then 4 to 6 weeks after. Yeah, it's going to take a while before. I mean, and we're in Dubai. I mean, you need to check. I want to see, man, 4 to 6 weeks. But being in Dubai, it will come later, you know. I wonder where they're shipping it from. Depends where they're shipping it from. Like America, fine. If it's inter-America, you know, like if they're making it from America and shipping it to channels in America. But they're international, right? There's so many channels that are international, so they will come here, but damn, that's cooked.
Hey, Harry.
Yo, man.
Gold is rejecting right from that
key level, yeah.
Key level you put. And the question that I have is, normally when I do the markup, I do it according to, the time frames, the 1 hour, the 4, the 15, all that. And I noticed that sometimes you put key levels, other times you don't. Should we always have it, the key levels?
If you're trading in the range, in that range that has a key level, yes, you should have it. The reason at all-time high key levels are super important because one candle is moving from key level to key level. So although you don't notice it, but Alexi, the candles have become much bigger these days. This 150-minute candle here is almost 100 pips. From high to low, it's 90 pips, this candle. So we're just moving really fast. Before, a 50-minute candle would be 20 pips. So we would never need to worry about a key level because one 50-minute candle is 20, 30 pips. This 50-minute candle here, Alexi, is 190 pips in one 15-minute candle. 190. You know? We would be lucky before if we're getting 190 pips in one day, let alone one candle. You know? So the ranges have become bigger.
Is it kind of an adaptation towards the daily average?
Yeah, no, it's just now that the ranges are bigger, we have key levels more often. Before we were able to trade between a key level, you know? But now that the candles have become bigger, key levels are right next to each other. So we consider it more. It's just before we were never trading at a key level most of the time. Or we were trading to it, you know?
Got it. All right, thanks, boss.
Oh, good, man. Why don't you call him or her on the event you're hosting, the 100k sub winner? Yeah, it will be. It will be. Verification, 2 weeks, right? Redemption code, application, then delivery. Yeah, that I know. The redemption code's after, but if you ask Google how long is the verification, they say 2 weeks. You take yesterday's gold setup one trade, was very clean trade, that one. Very simple, right? Most of the guys in exclusive cooked on that one. Few weeks for the verification. Yeah, it's a long process, huh? They should make that process faster. Especially the grind it takes to get to 100k. But then you could also argue that, hey, I've grinded all the way to 100k. What's a couple of weeks more? So yeah. Anyways, guys, like I said, I have to hop off. Today I have to go jump on to a little pod. So yeah, I wanted to just show up today to give a little bit of analysis, set you guys up. So very short one today. Be thankful I showed up to give you a plan. Here's the plans. Take a screenshot. Good luck with your sessions. And yeah, this is the DAX plan here. Now for the buys, if we want to start breaking outside of the 4-hour resistance, you can take more buys above here, okay? More buys above here as well. This is where your buys will come. So leave a like on the stream before I hop off. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, man, take care everyone, and hopefully plan is loud and clear. The guys in the exclusive will continue to trade together, and you guys make sure you lock in, don't do anything stupid. NFP tomorrow, and hopefully catch you guys soon. All right, much love and peace. Cheers.